X-Fill is the versatile small void fill system for pack table use. It's very easy to use, adjust, and maintain. Always load the bundle onto the machine with the arrow pointing towards the machine. Then form the paper into a paper rope. Place the rope into the opening at the top of the machine. Depress the feed button on the side of the machine and you are now ready to go. X-Fill's gears create a 3D paper shape that reduces material usage and speeds up pack time. Packers spend less time forming the paper with their hands. X-Fill has two operation modes: the free mode, where the system produces paper until told not to by letting up on the foot pedal, and the specific length mode, where a precise length is made when the foot pedal is depressed. A simple toggle switch is used to go back and forth between the two modes. X-Fill's height and head angle are adjustable. Simply pull down on the bar and adjust the head angle to your liking. Experiencing a jam with this system is extremely rare. However, should it ever occur, X-Fill's electromechanical rescue protocol quickly rectifies the situation. Simply turn the system off, depress the e-stop button, turn the system back on, release the e-stop, depress the blue button, and the jam has been resolved. Paper clippings are easy to remove and should be removed from inside the system on an as-needed basis. Turn the system off and depress the emergency stop button and unplug the system from the power outlet. Use an Allen wrench to drop down the gray-colored front cover. Vacuum out visible paper clippings or shards, being careful not to allow any body parts to rub up against the knife. Reattach the front cover and then plug in the cord to a power outlet. Release the e-stop button, turn the system on, depress the blue button on the system keyboard, and you're ready to go.